Let's talk more about those bankruptcy trustees we talked about. And just a reminder, memorize which cases of bankruptcy you're going to need a trustee in. The trustee is going to be assigned the responsibility of managing and liquidating the debtor's non-exempt assets to repay creditors. The moment the bankruptcy petition is filed, the trustee is considered to have a hypothetical lien on all of the debtor's property. Now, this lien grants the trustee priority over most unsecured creditors in terms of distributing the proceeds from liquidation of the debtor's assets. However, the trustee's priority is subject to exceptions, such as creditors with prior perfected security interests or prior statutory or judicial liens. A lot of this ties in with our secured transactions lesson as well. Just take note of that. We've got a lot of overlap. These secured creditors have a superior claim to specific assets due to their pre-existing liens or security interests, which were established before the bankruptcy petition was filed. And as a result, the trustee's lien does not supersede the rights of these secured creditors, and they're entitled to recover their collateral or its value before the trustee can distribute any proceeds to unsecured creditors. So whether it's this lesson, bankruptcy and insolvency, or the secured transactions lesson, just remember your tiering system of who gets what in what order. Now, talking more about these bankruptcy trustees, these are going to be individuals who are court appointed, and they're going to be responsible for overseeing and administering the bankruptcy case, which includes managing the debtor's assets and distributing funds to creditors. In some instances, the court may authorize the trustee to also serve as the tax return preparer for the bankruptcy estate. That's just something to know. Again, for a multiple choice question, question may ask, what can the trustee do? Well, they can act as the tax return preparer for the bankruptcy estate. In such cases, a CPA may receive separate fees for services rendered in each capacity as a bankruptcy trustee and as a tax return preparer. Now, this dual role, we could serve as the trustee as well as the tax return preparer. This is going to allow the CPA to have a comprehensive understanding of the debtor's financial situation, helping to ensure proper administration of the case and accurate tax reporting for the estate. Don't you know it? There's going to be tax as well when we're dealing with bankruptcy. And this sort of hybrid, this dual role is going to allow this person to kind of be involved in all aspects of the process, in which that would be quite helpful for them understanding what the heck is going on.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of cpa.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.